Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of All Things Cut and Craft. I'm Habiola from the Gaspa. I'm absolutely grateful for engaging with our previous video. Thank you so much. So today, if you are new, firstly, let me welcome you. You are most welcome. Please do well to subscribe. Consider subscribing to this channel so you can get all of our videos. And today we are going to be making a nose mask with Cricut. That sounds interesting, right? So today we are going to be cutting fabric with Cricut, and if you want to see how I go about this, keep watching, don't go anywhere. I will be back soon.
So let me introduce the supplies for this project. You need a fabric, you need a rotary blade, and the pink mat. So fabric uses the pink mat, which is the fabric mat, and it uses the rotary blade, which is different from the ones we've been using for vinyl and for iron knot. So I'm measuring the size of the fabric so I will know what to put in the design, so it won't be bigger than necessary. Then I will place my fabric pattern side up on the pink mat. Then I will make sure that the fabric is sticky to the mat, because you don't want it to move around when you're cutting. So you make sure that you press it down on the mat very well by using maybe your scraper or just your hand to make sure that it's very sticky to the mat, because if it moves around when cutting, it may spoil your project. So I'll make sure the fabric is sticking on the mat. Some people use spray glue to make sure it's very sticky. Then I will go ahead and change the blade for the machine, because you have to change it. This will not work for fabric. This one is called fine point blade. Then I will change it to the rotary blade, which is made for fabric. Now make sure that this is very well placed and well secured for the cutting. So I will send my mat into the machine, and the design is already on my tablet, so I will just send it right away. Then it will start cutting for me. So what we are making today is mask, as I've mentioned in the intro. We are making nose mask. So you can cut simple shapes and patterns, maybe for your sewing on Cricut, maybe those sleeves for kids, even for adults. I know that it's a little slower cutting fabric than paper on other materials, maybe like vinyl or iron knot. So the blade will slide and just take its time to do the cutting. And when it's cutting, you get to see the progress on the tablet. Yeah, as you can see, it says unload mat. I press the flashing button, then I unload it. The cutting is done. So now just remove it from the edge to reveal what has been cut. You don't need that part, so you just pull that part out. Then you have your nose mask. I had so much fun making this, and here you have it, the nose mask. I made this for my boys. They really love it. You know, it's small, I mean, to their size, and that is it for today.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy what you watch, why can't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button on your notification bell so you can get all of our videos, because so many interesting videos are coming your way. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it once again. And don't forget to give your comments about this nose mask. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. I'll be there to attend to them. And if you want to get any Cricut supplies, I have links to where you can get them, and it will be delivered to your doorsteps at no additional cost to you. So why can't you make use of that and then support this channel? Don't forget to give this video a like, because it helps YouTube to recommend more of our videos to people. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for doing that. And next week we are going to be writing something on an apron, what you can use in the kitchen. So just to watch out for it, and that's why you need to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss the video. Thank you so much. I can't just appreciate you enough. And this is your crafty friend telling you to create your own happiness, because it's in your hands. See you in the next video. Bye.